May I get in, sir?
Yes.
Namaskar.
Sir, you are the last.
Yes, sir.
You are the last.
Yes, sir.
Wish all the best.
Thank you, sir.
You will crack in the examination, I feel.
Thank you, sir. Sir, Somin Biswal.
Gaku.
Sir, Jagatsinghpur, Tarasahi, sir.
Tora?
Tarasahi.
Court set up.
Sir, Machhagan sepote, sir. Machhagan Debinoi cross kar. Yes, sir.
ମୁଁ ସିଆଡ଼କୁ ଯାଇଛି ସେ ଇଏ ଦେଇକି ଆମର କ'ଣ ସେଇଟା ବାଲିକୁଦା ଦେଇ
Yes, sir. Balikuda block, sir.
ଦେଇକି ସେ ଯେଉଁ ବହୁତ ବିଲ
Yes, sir.
ସେ ଗାଁ ନାଁଟା କ'ଣ ମୋ ପିଲାଟା ଅଛି ଆମ ଘରେ ସେ ଭଲ ସେଠି କିନ୍ତୁ ୟା ବସ୍ ସେଠି କମ୍
Yes, sir. Sir, communication gap is very much there.
ତମର କ'ଣ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ
Sir, geography and political science, sir.
ପଲିଟିକାଲ ସାଇନ୍ସ
Yes, sir.
ପଲିଟିକାଲ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଆର୍
International relations. Yes, sir.
ନା ଖାଲି ପଲିଟିକାଲ ସାଇନ୍ସ
Sir, political science and international relations.
Karnataka say
ହୁଁ
Karnataka say political science or
International relations.
ସୌମେନ ବିଶ୍ୱାଳ ସେ ନାଁରେ କ'ଣ କରିବ
असले को तुम पचार दियो से आसार असले करियो
ଆଚ୍ଛା ତମେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କୁହ
Sir.
ସୌମେନ ବାବୁ ତମେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ତମର କ'ଣ ବିଟେକ୍ ବାଲା
Yes, sir.
ମେକାନିକାଲ
Yes, sir.
ଏନ୍ଆଇଟି ରେ କରିଛ କ'ଣ ଏମଟେକ୍
MTech, sir.
ମେକାନିକାଲ ତମର ସ୍ପେଶାଲାଇଜେସନ କ'ଣ
Sir, specialized in composite engineering, sir.
କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର
Composite, sir. Composite engineering. Composite technology specialization.
କମ୍ପୋଜିଟ୍ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି
Yes, sir.
କମ୍ପୋଜିଟ୍ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି କ'ଣ ପଢା ହଉଛି
Sir, I did my research in composite technology. I have actually prepared a composite, sir. And I have published a paper on it also.
କରେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସରେ ପଚାରୁଛି
Yes, sir.
କରେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସ ପଢୁଥିଲ
Yes, sir.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନିଶା ଯୋଉ ହେଇଥିଲା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯାହା କହନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ନିଶା ଶୁଣିଥିବ କୋଜିକୋଡି ଯୋଉ ଏୟାରପୋର୍ଟରେ କେରଲା ଚାରିଟା ପିଲା ମରିଗଲା ଚାରିଟା ବି
निशा थी
ହଁ
कौन कौन
ଟେକଅଫ୍ ବେଳେ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଏରୋପ୍ଲେନ ଇଏ କରୁଥିଲା ଓହ୍ଲେଇଲା
कौन करते हैं
ଭାବିଲି ଇଏ ଗଲା ସେ ଛୁଆ ବସିଥିଲେ ଇଏ ହେଲା
दिन पहले ने से ये प्लेन रे सन थिले
ଜୋର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ବେଳେ ଇଏ
से माने ऑलरेडी निशा ग्रस्त थिले
ନିଶାଗ୍ରସ୍ତ ମାନେ ଜୋରରେ ପାଣି ଆଚ୍ଛା ବସିଥିଲେ ଯୋଉ ପିଲା ଗୁଡାକ ବନ୍ଧା ହେଇକି ନଥାନ୍ତି ନା ପିଲା ସାଇଡରେ ବସିଥିଲେ
निशा था कौन निशा था कौन
ନିଶା ନୁହଁ
ओहो
ନିଶା
निशा ओ सेटा को मो निशा निशा राइट
ନିଶା ହappening ହେଲା ହେଲା
दैट इज केरला
ସେଟା ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯାଉଛି ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଏବେ ଦେଖିଥିବ ଦି ଦିନ ତଳେ ଆଇଥିଲା
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ସେଟା କ'ଣ ସେ ବେଡଟାକୁ କ'ଣ କରିବେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ସନ ଅଫ ବେଡ୍ସ
Yes, sir.
ସେଟା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଅଛି
Sir, yes, sir. It is there in. Yes, sir. It is there in India, sir. Sir, and the seat belt that we use.
नो सिस्टम इन इंडिया ଅଛି ତମେ କରିପାରିବ
Sir.
ସିଷ୍ଟମ ନାହିଁ କାହିଁକି ତମକୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଟିକଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଇନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଯୋଉଟା ତମେ ଠିକ ଅଛି
Sir.
କିନ୍ତୁ ତମେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଆଲାଉ କରିବି
it is not allowed.
ଟିକଟ ଠିକ ନେବେ
Sir.
ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ନେଇ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସିଟ୍ ନବ
Yes, sir.
ହେଲେ ତମ ବେଡ୍ ତା ବେଡ୍ ସେ ସିଟ୍ ଗୁଡେ
Yes, sir.
ଏଇଟା ଏଇଟା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି କୋଉଠି ଆମେରିକାରେ
Sir. Sir, there it is compulsory.
ଜାଣିଲି
Yes.
ଏୟାର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ତମେ ଯଦି ଟିକଟ ମାଗିବ ସେ ତମକୁ ଦଉନାହିଁ
Yes, sir.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସିଟ୍ ଦେବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସ ସିଷ୍ଟମର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଡେଭଲପ କରିବାକୁ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଚାହୁଁ
Sir.
ମିଶା ହେଲା ଆମର ସେଫ୍ଟି ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଆସିବ
Yes, sir.
ଆସିବ ନା ନାହିଁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏବେ ଦେଖିଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ଆସିଥିଲା ସବୁ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଉପରେ କୋଉଠି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ
Yes, sir.
ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଉପରେ କେତେ ପରସେଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ ଫରେନ୍ ଯୋଉ ଡିସଇନଭେଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ 74% ଅଛି
70%, 74%.
74% ଏଲ୍ଆଇସି ର କ'ଣ ରହୁଛି ଏଲ୍ଆଇସି କାହିଁକି କେବେ
Sir, because LIC, sir, LIC government ର share holding sir ରହୁଛି. Sir, LIC is basically it is for
ଟର୍ମ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଆଉ କ'ଣ
sir term insurance.
ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟି
Yes, sir.
ମିଳିବ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଲିଙ୍କ୍
Yes, sir.
ବେସିକାଲି
Yes, sir. Actually.
यूनिट लिंक में गारंटी गारंटी कौन विथ टर्म इंश्योरेंस और गारंटी रिटर्न अगर टर्म इंश्योरेंस 10 वर्षिया
Yes, sir.
सर सारे सावन दे
इट इज कौन भाई इट इज दैट इज स्पेशल लॉ कहां पे
Sir, I'm not aware about it.
What is that?
Okay, sir.
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେଇ ମାନେ ସେଗୁଡାକ କଣ ଏଟା ପ୍ରାୟୋରିଟି ସେକ୍ଟର
Priority sector, yes, sir.
କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟର ଦିଟା ଚାରି ଦୋକାନ ଦିଟା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଯେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପବ୍ଲିକ ସେକ୍ଟର ସେକ୍ଟର
Sir, the UCO Bank and the Central Bank of India, sir.
ୟୁକୋ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କୁ କଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମିଶେଇ ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ sir, ସେଟା PCA under ରେ ଅଛି sir ଏବେ.
ତାକୁ ଇଏ କରିବ ଆଉ ସେଭେନ ଯୋଉ ଆସୋସିଏଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଥିଲା
Yes, sir.
ସେ କୋଉଥିରେ ବେଶୀ ପ୍ରୋଟେଷ୍ଟ ହଉଥିଲା କୋଉ ଇଏର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ କେରଳା ସାଇଡରେ ତାର କୋ ବେଶୀ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ଅଛି
Sir,
ଟ୍ରାଭକପୁର ନା କୋଉଟା?
ନା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା ସୌରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର
State Bank of, yes.
ପଟିଆଲା
State Bank of Mysore ଗୋଟେ sir ଥିଲା.
ସେଟା ମହୀଶୂର ଆଉ
Yes, sir. Sir, and sir, I'm not able to remember right now, sir.
ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ ଗୋଟେ
Yes, sir.
ଆଉ ପଟିଆଲା ସାତଟା ଥିଲା ସେଟା କିଏ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ କୋଚିନ୍ ନା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ କ୍ୟାଲିକଟ ନା କଣ ସେଟା କେରଳ
Sir, I'm actually not able to remember, sir.
ସେଟା ଭାରି ପ୍ରୋଟେଷ୍ଟ ହଉଥିଲା
Sir.
ସବୁ କେରଳରେ ସେମିତି ରଖିବେ ପଇସା
ହଉ ତାକୁ ସାର୍
ହେଲା ତମର ଇଏ ହେଲା ତମର ଆଉ କଣ ପବ୍ଲିକ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ଅଛି ନା କଣ
ନାଇଁ sir, political science and
Political
international
science.
relations.
ତମକୁ କୋଉ ଫିଲୋସଫର ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କୋଉ ଫିଲୋସଫର ଭଲ ଲାଗେ
Sir, Chanakya, sir. Chanakya, sir.
ଚାଣକ୍ୟ
Yes, sir.
ଚାଣକ୍ୟର ଯୋଉ ଅର୍ଥଶାସ୍ତ୍ର
Yes, sir.
ଲେଖିଛି ଯେ ବା ତାକୁ ତାର ଅନ୍ୟ ନାଁ କଣ ଥିଲା
Sir,
ଚାଣକ୍ୟଙ୍କର ଅନ୍ୟ ନାଁ କଣ ଥିଲା
sir,
କୌଟଲ୍ୟ
sir, sir.
କୌଟଲ୍ୟ
Yes, sir. Kautilya, sir.
ଚାଣକ୍ୟଙ୍କ ନାଁ କାହିଁ ଇଏ କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ? ଆଉ ଚାଣକ୍ୟଙ୍କ ମେନ୍ ପଲିସି କଣ ଥିଲା ଚାଣକ୍ୟ ନୀତି କଣ
Sir, Sham Dam Dand Bhed.
हैं
Sham Dam Dand Bhed.
କଣ ସାମ୍
श्याम दाम दंड भेद ठीक है ଆଉ ତମେ ଆଉ କାହା କହିଛ ହୁ ଇଜ ଦି ଫାଦର ଅଫ ପොଲିଟିକାଲ ସାଇନ୍ସ
Sir, Plato is the father of political science. Sir, Aristotle is the father of political science, and Plato is the father of political philosophy, sir.
Aristotle father
Yes, sir.
man is a political animal he lives in the society कौन है thanks sir
Sir, because by birth itself, man has to live in a society. So that is why, and to fulfill his desires and other needs, he cannot remain individual, sir.
for the sake of good life
Good life. Yes, sir.
for the sake of
Good life. Yes, sir.
ସାର୍
What is the book written by Plato?
Sir,
The book written by Plato.
sir. I'm not able to remember, sir.
तो कौन कौन ଅଛି ତାର ଅପସନାଲ କଣ ରଖିଛି
ଅପସନାଲ ତାର ହଉଛି ପොଲିଟିକାଲ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଆଉ
ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫି
ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫି ସବୁ ତ ସେଇ ଆଉ
ଓହୋ
ସବୁ ମୁଁ ତ ଟିକେ ଇଏ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ
what is the concept of welfare state
Sir, welfare state means the state is devoted for the welfare of its people, and profit making is not the main motive of the state. And here the main motive of the state is upliftment of its masses. So that is the welfare of that is called a welfare state.
does India fall in that category
Yes, sir.
is it theoretically or practically
Sir, theoretically also that is in the preamble we have the India as a socialist state, and practically also we see the various
how we
schemes.
practically understand the government is now exploiting income tax of the section of people
Yes, sir.
distributing to the people of others those who will not work nothing sit and eat
Sir.
policy
Sir,
do you call it a welfare state
sir, I would call it a yes, sir. I would call it a welfare state. Yes, sir. Because they are the poor. They are the poor ones, and they
why
need.
are the poor I will also become poor then I will get that all those
Sir, actually the
there is not this tendency developing people to become that it is better to become poor better not to earn because if I become poor government will give us everything
sir, to some extent it is correct, sir. Sir, it crops up a tendency there. But sir, if we do not give them the help that they need, they won't come up from the grassroots also. Sir, they will always be there under below the poverty line. So they
so
would
the
never
group
come
of
up.
people those who want to be in power they will be in power by this hook the public money spending and purchasing votes
Sir, that is what the welfare state is, sir. We have to, sir, uplift them.
as you say in political science, whenever we consider the democracy, the people of power, do you think we have to where did the democracy start? In which incident gave rise to the democracy in the history? Which incident?
Sir, the French Revolution,
Revolution. Ah,
sir. Yes, sir.
which three words came as a watch of democracy from the incident?
Sir, liberty, fraternity,
No fraternity.
liberty, equality, and
Justice.
justice, liberty, and equality. Right, sir.
Equality, same equality, liberty and justice.
I guess so.
Actually, liberty, equality, justice.
Justice,
Three,
sir.
basically.
Sir.
Is justice there in India? If you file a case, you get it for after 50 years first date. Is
Sir,
there justice there?
Yes. Sir, actually, there is a delay in the justice, sir. Sir,
No,
but
there is really.
yes, sir.
So no delay. Justice delayed is
Justice denied, sir.
Then
Sir, there is justice, but sir,
well, is there liberty? You have no liberty to speak. If you speak, it goes against government. They can make a law and arrest you. No liberty.
sir,
Are you
no,
here?
yes, sir.
Why I have quality, I don't get service. You have no quality, you get service because of quota. What is equality then?
Sir, the quota policy is again that comes under welfare
Where
state
is
category.
equality?
Yes, sir.
So now say, in the true
One
democracy,
success.
that is really exists or is it possible? Politically, we make it theoretically, but is it really possible? Rousseau as a political thing, a thought of ideal state, wanted to be ideal people,
Ideal.
nothing concrete, and he was such a romantic philosopher,
Yeah,
because
yes, yes.
it's all ideally possible.
Idealistic. Yes, sir. So that's what Plato also said.
So-
Idealistic.
So what you have to do, so what is important as an individual or as an administrator, what precaution should you take in such a condition? So you are selected in such a condition
Sir.
where we found the federal character, but no federalism. Democracy, there are no two things there. Everything there. People we know, people vote, we know
Yes,
how
sir.
votes are being
Yes, sir.
given.
Yes, sir.
The reality. And we are just trying to cover it up. But still we have to continue
Yes,
being
sir.
positive.
Yes, sir.
So in such cases when you are given admission, what should be your approach to the policy, to the people? What should be your approach?
Sir, my approach would be as per the law, as per the law of the land. Sir,
At
I
the
would.
same time,
Sir, at the same time,
the law you believe that doesn't give justice to the people.
sir, on that sense, I would develop my intrinsic character, that empathy towards the people who need the help, and I would ensure that
So
that
you
get
have to maintain a
prioritized.
balanced approach.
Balance, sir. Yes, sir.
Empathy. What
Yes,
is
sir.
empathy?
Sir, empathy is actually to understand, means by being in their place, and we can understand what they need and what is their hopes and aspirations.
Like you being here, we being there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your name, please?
Sir, Somen Biswal.
Somen Biswal.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, pacharibe?
No. Oh.
Shumen, that I am very glad that you have taken to beautiful
graduate the
subject,
possibility.
political science and geography, but you have completed in mechanical engineering. So, from subject, I want to know something about from your side.
Sir.
Have you any idea about the traffic level?
Yes, sir. Tropic level, sir. Yes, sir.
What are,
Sir, actually, sir, the tropic level is there are two tropics. That is the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of
traffic, TROPHIC,
Tropic,
traffic level, not tropic.
not
Okay,
tropic.
No, sir, I don't have any idea on tropic.
Food chain मालूम है?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That one. Okay, yes, sir. Tropic level. Okay, sir. I was not able to get it. Okay, sir.
बोला. Second, I want to know, do you know about the rebound hypothesis? I am very much connected to the topic. Have you any idea about this?
No, sir.
Grass. Have you any idea about the Holmes mountain building theory?
No, sir. Sir, Holmes mountain building theory.
Holmes.
Yes.
Have you heard the name of Holmes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is his theory? Name of this theory?
Sir,
You are not thorough. You are not thorough. Tell me a single active volcano in India.
sir, the Barren Island, sir.
Where is it?
Sir, in Andaman and Nicobar Island.
On the
northeast.
Middle Andaman or the
Sir,
South
it's,
Andaman?
sir, it's the Little Andaman, sir.
Little Andaman? Wrong. What is TS diagram?
Sir,
TS diagram. ओशनोग्राफी जमा पढ़िनो
Yes, sir.
which book you refer for oceanography?
Sir, Savinder Singh.
Sovinder Singh. Oceanography is very important book, which is very unique book. Only one, and that is Vedalan Sharma.
Yes, sir.
I have not gone through this. What is western disturbances?
Sir, these are the cyclonic disturbances in the mainly in the northern hemisphere of in the Europe, mainly in the Europe area. Sir, these
Totally
are the
wrong.
temperate.
That is not western disturbances. I will tell you. ମୁଁ 10ଟା 8ଟା क्वेश्चन पचारे सबुडा रॉन्ग हलानी सुनामी
Sir, it is the sudden movement of
what
tectonic
is the
plate.
meaning of tsunami?
Sir, tsunami means violent waves, sir.
This word is coming from which
Sir, Japan.
Japanese
Japan.
word. Okay, what is the meaning of that?
Sir, it's a sudden. Sir, if an earthquake occurs inside the, I mean the
Give
sea
me a
surface.
word. Tsunami is a Japanese word.
Yes,
It
sir.
has one word meaning.
Sir, it's a very high wave, sir. High amplitude waves.
Sea wave.
Sea wave,
only,
sir.
only sea wave. So in India, when it occurred,
Sir, in 2004, sir.
where?
Sir, in the Tamil Nadu district and in
What is the reason behind it?
sir, there was an earthquake, sir. Sir, after that,
What is the reason? Earthquake so definitely inside the ocean bottom. But the reason what?
sir, unstable plates, sir.
Lakes? कहाँ lakes आया?
Plates, sir. Plates. Unstable.
Movement of plates.
Movements of tectonic plates. Sir.
Movement of the plates,
Yes, sir.
subplates.
Yes, sir.
That's गोटे आंसर तमे दला सब आंसर रा भूल कहला
जियोग्राफी तब केयर नियो बे
Yes,
take
ट्रॉपिक
care.
मु पचार जे ट्रॉपिक स्पेलिंग कहिसला परे मध्ये तमे हमकु माने से एटा
Yes, sir,
एंड एटा धरुनी
Yes, sir. Topic.
सेकंड होजे रिबाउंड हाइपोथेसिस होजे एचएफ रेड रो आपको एक रो गोटे थ्योरी
Okay.
जिंदी इलास्टिसिटी को टाणी की छाड़ देले 75 रिबाउंड है कि तार ओरिजिनल पोजीशन हुए
Sir.
थोड़े दी earthquake will be started there are so many tremors will come because
sir.
of the elasticity of the rocks, that is the properties of the rocks.
Okay, sir.
rock और जो displacement है यही था again it will come to the original position not in once many times. That is the theory by H.F. Reid.
Okay, sir.
Third one I was telling about the active volcano, that is Barren Island,
Barren
that is the northeastern part of the Andaman.
Andaman. Not
Okay.
Yes, sir.
TS diagram is a very fundamental concept in oceanography. T for temperature, S for salinity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Western disturbance is occurred northwest part of the country. You are
Sir,
speaking on
northwest.
European current because of the Mediterranean Sea.
Mediterranean.
The low pressure is prevailed in the Mediterranean Sea.
Yes,
when
sir,
this
sir.
wind will affect the northwest part of India, which
sir.
affect the monsoon also.
Monsoon also, sir.
नहीं?
Yes, sir.
ये जिनसला टिके तो मैं prepare हुआ बाबा.
हाँ, sir. Sir,
Because you
brush
have
up.
kept geography as your optional.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will take care of it.
I
sir.
belong to geography department.
Sir.
Know your weakness.
Yes, sir.
Try to
Okay.
Definitely, sir.
हो जाएगा टिके एनसीटी बही
Sir.
आज जीव कि काली जाए कि सूचना भवन बा जयदेव भवन जोड़ला ता भितरे देखियो ओडिसा रेफरेंस रो जोटा रिसेंट बही थिबो 2017 18 गोटे बही किनी नबो
Okay, sir.
सेतरे सब प्रकार अछि ओडिया लिटरेचर रे किए ज्ञानपीठ ऐसा तेसा सब पाइछंती ता
Sir.
विषय अछि ता छडा एनसीटी बही रे जो फंडामेंटल बही अछि तो पाइ
Okay, sir.
ओके
Okay,
विश
sir.
ऑल द बेस्ट
Thank you, sir.
ये बसो मो मार्किंग दिए कर दे हला ठीक
Okay,
अछि
sir.
मो वर्ड रे दी टॉपिक हे गला मुके तो स्पेलिंग कहिसला पर भी तुम यू आर रिमेनिंग
Yes, sir. Sir.
फूड चेन किंतु
Sir,
प्राइमरी
हठात mind टा sir से yes, sir.
टर्शियरी
Tertiary consumer. sir.
नहीं
Yes, sir.
what is your MTech subject?
Sir, mechanical engineering in specialization in composite technology.
From which institute?
Sir, NIT Rourkela.
NIT Rourkela.
Yes, sir.
I think this should have been after MTech, MTech. Are you working somewhere?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, actually, I devoted the entire time for preparing for civil services. Sir, actually, I wanted to give my 100% sir towards this preparation. I don't want to make that a pastime
Okay,
activity,
okay.
sir.
If that is your, I mean, no problem. If that is your, I think you should also equally try for UPSC.
Sir, I have given UPSC mains in 2019, sir.
वेरी गुड
Clear men.
Yes, sir. I have appeared for mains, sir.
अच्छा मिस्टर कमना कोन रहला
Sir, Somen Biswar.
सुमेन
Yes,
कुला
sir.
हबो
Thank
ठीक
you.
है एनसीटी बनता का पूरा थ्रेड दिया
Okay, sir.
और से जो ओडिसा रिव्यू रे
हाँ.
सब ओडिसा ऊपर
Again.
ता कल्चर को जगह रे कोन नृत्य छौ
हाँ, sir.
नृत्य कोठी
हाँ,
ସେଇଟା ଦେଖିଲ ସେ କୋଉଟା ତାକୁ ହଟେଇଲ